Pussycat. Hey, kitty. You're so pretty. Come here. Come here. Come here, Molly. Come on. Quit it. Quit it. Stop. You're so mean. You're so mean. You're so mean. Mean little kitty.
Pee my pants.
What?
Pee myself.
I'm touching your property.
Expect more from your actor.
No! You can't get me. You can't get me. Joseph, play with Molly.
Yeah, get it.
Joseph, come on.
Get the kitty.
She's not your mommy's kitty.
Get behind her and push her out.
Get over here.
Yeah, go back there and push her out.
Okay.
Push her to Carly.
Booper.
Oh, fuck.
Here it is. Over here.
What is that supposed to be?
Oh my god.
What's your outfit supposed to be, Joseph?
A reaper.
I just
I got you, bitch.
Get her!
You're evil.
Get her!
Dance like a ballerina.
I thought you know how to do.
They only call us once a year to see how you're doing.
Oh, that's so sweet.
What the hell?
No, girl. Boys don't dance like ballerinas.
You do.
No, it's not. I mean, girl.
Break this. Here, lay on your back.
Please. Really, you know how to do this emotional.
Ready?
Yes?
Everything you're here.
Oh.
What are you doing?
There you go.
He's like, what the hell?
What were you doing?
Break dancing.
You're dancing